Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning, where I post helpful and entertaining video weekly. And hey guys, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button and as well turn on the bell for notifications so that way you can get all the videos that I have. So anyways guys, without further ado, in today's episode, we're actually working on the Golf R. I know guys that you've been asking for how well does this Jack Pont, Audi Jack Pont is doing on the Golf R, and how easy it is to actually jack the car up in no time. So anyways guys, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to jack the car with the Jack Pont in place. So stay tuned. Well folks, we're ready to jack the car up. Fairly simple. Protect the pinch weld, I have pretty much a rod that I'm using here. One side done guys, lift one side and basically pretty much get the two jack points here in the one side done. Well, similarly from the front guys, just jack the front and basically takes care of the rest. So I like to use rags to protect the pinch weld there. Well, voila, all done guys. Well, it took me about 10 minutes or so, and car is up in the air. Pretty much it's nice and safe. As you can see, you can basically test the car, making sure that it doesn't move whatsoever. And yeah, I had to lock Chester out of the garage because I don't want him to be running around. The garage door is open, so he is basically not happy at this point. But anyways guys, as you can see, it's so easy to jack the car up. I'm gonna take the camera and walk around and show you guys exactly how it looks like from this stance, it's pretty much jacked up nicely there. Nice and equal on one end, and the other side, of course, as you can see. Simple enough, guys, simple enough. All up in the air, all four wheels, and pretty much ready to work underneath the car, that's for sure.